A very good afternoon to you. So much colder as we look ahead to Christmas. Clearer with a distinct wind chill. Freezing, frosty, icy nights set to return with a chance of a few sleet and snow flurries. In the meantime, a split setup out there today with drier and clearer conditions across Scotland, parts of northern England and Northern Ireland. Some slithers of winter sunshine. Much more in the way of cloud cover across the southern half of Britain. Here, rain sneaking its way in from the southwest. Some of it quite steady across Wales and the Midlands there. And in that southerly airstream, it stays relatively mild given the time of year, but further north it's looking so much chillier as temperatures struggle, just 5 or 6 degrees across northern Scotland. And we keep that split set up through this evening and tonight. Misty low cloud giving quite grey, murky conditions across the southern half of Britain. Some rain to come in the next 24 hours. Further north, drier and colder, close to freezing with a touch of frost come dawn. See you soon. Good evening to you. So much colder into Christmas with clearer skies, winter sunshine, but also a marked wind chill. And as temperatures fall, freezing, frosty, icy nights to come. A bit of a shock to the system for all of us. In the meantime, a deep area of low pressure bringing windy, wet conditions across parts of England and Wales. Far from festive for the time being. And then as this moves off the scene, high pressure nudging its way in from the west, turning so much drier and with brisk northerly winds, so much colder into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. In the meantime, rain to end the day across central spots of Britain. The rain on and off through the night. Misty low cloud and murky grey skies with the moisture left in the air through the small hours and the first stages of tomorrow morning. And we keep the milder air across southernmost counties. Further north, drier, clearer and colder. Close to freezing and turning frosty, particularly through Scotland into a new day. And we keep very much a split setup tomorrow with the best of the brighter skies across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, a very different day, a good deal of cloud and several hours of pouring rain to come. A bit of a soaking, steady, heavy rain through much of the morning and the afternoon. Horrible if you are having to travel. Gusty winds to accompany that rainfall. Surface water and spray giving poor visibility on the roads and quite gusty winds and a relatively mild air. Further north, it's so much clearer and colder, sparkling sunshine, but feeling really bitter in that northerly breeze across Scotland and Northern Ireland. The sign of things to come. A very different day into Christmas Eve. Winter sunshine returns, but temperatures set to fall with a biting, bitter wind chill.